Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Also, Keiron G Hogg is my website. Today, I just want to show you a quick video on how you can use Canva and use some shortcuts that can save you a ton of time. So this is 7 ways that you can save a ton of time on Canva. So let's get to it. All right, you guys. So number 1, here's our drawing area, our creation area here in Canva. So number 1 I want to tell you guys is the single key shortcuts. Okay, so very cool, very easy. So R just equals rectangle. Okay, super easy. So of course we're probably going to be using rectangles and other shapes a lot, so simply just hit the R button and then you're going to have a shortcut. Next one, guys, C gives you a circle button. Okay, now I can have multiple. Of course I can change the colors, animate them and all that, but guys, very cool. C just changes to an automatic circle. Okay, and moving right along, next one, guys, is T. T stands for text. Okay, so again, just T. And you can change the font here, so I can go up here. But this just saves a lot of extra clicks, guys. That really helps out. So we can just go to any one we want. Horizon, why not? Okay, beautiful. Next one, guys, is L, line. Now this, again, just one click, we've got a line. Now we can change our line weight. We can change our line color. We can change the style of it. Okay, we can change the left side, the right side, whatever we want. Okay, very cool, very simple, very easy to use. And look here, if we do that, then this becomes a right angled end, and if we go like this, makes it a round end. Whoops. All right. Anyways, guys, do you get the idea? There it is. That's the one I want. Okay. So once again, guys, control, or no, not even control. R is rectangle, C is circle, T is text, and L is line. Next one, guys. Oh, that was actually my second one as well. That was line styles. Okay, so we did 1 and 2 together there, line styles. Next one, guys, is super easy, and this is going to just save a few mouse clicks, is to drag an image. So instead of having to upload, which I would normally do, I would just go like this. And I would click upload, click my image, and then it would upload, and I'd have to put it in. But now I can just go like this. I can just drag that right over there, and boom. So it saves you, if you're doing a lot of things at once, it'll save you some time, guys. So that is another cool little shortcut there. Another thing that is going to save you, number 3, is company logos, guys. So for example, if you are talking about your social media, you want to put some logos in here, so you might want to be finding a Facebook, an Instagram, a Twitter, and all that. So you can just go to Elements, and if I just type in Facebook, now you can go to all, you can go to photos, you can go to graphics, you can go to, well, videos, generally you have to pay for these, but you can go to graphics, and you can just click any of these, and if you want to put that in the corner somewhere for your social media, or I can go Twitter, and so on and so forth, guys. Okay, so you could do it like that, drag it down. So you can just see that normally what I would do is I would go over in here and type in Facebook PNG or Twitter PNG, save it to my computer, and then upload it. But this saves a lot of time, guys, if you want to be adding your social medias in there. Okay, so very simple. Next one, guys, is move images with precision. So the cool thing is, if I click on here and if I just use my arrow keys, it will move it 1 pixel at a time, 1 2 3 4 5. Or if I press shift and move it, it'll be 10 at a time. So this is really cool if you want to move things to a very specific area like that. Okay, so you can play around with that, and it just keeps everything really simple, because sometimes if you're moving around, it'll just click and drag onto something. I know you guys have probably had that. I get that all the time. So that is a cool little feature as well, guys. So 1 pixel if you just use the arrow, and then 10 if you use the shift and the arrow. Next one, guys, is how to select an image that is hiding. So this is a big one for me as well. I would always find myself in trouble. I'd have some images and I want to get this image on the bottom, but I don't want to move everything else around. So what you can do, you can just go Control and click, and it's going to go through the order and just go down, down, down until you find the image that you want. So it has highlighted the Facebook image, and again, I can just use Shift if I want to go faster, or just arrow 1 by 1, but Shift arrow, of course, so then I can move that anywhere I want. Okay, so you guys, this for me is a really cool little trick right there. So Control and then click to move down in your layer order. All right, and guys, another cool one. So if you're going to be doing a lot of the similar kind of layout, so maybe you've got a logo or something that you want people to always see. So let me just go elements, uploads, whatever. So okay, so for example, this one, and I want to use it all the time, and I can just lock it. So I can just go to here and lock. Now, whatever I do, that can't move. And also the cool thing is, so it's gonna stay like that until you unlock it, all right? So you don't have to worry about things moving around by accident. Also, if you put any text, so if I just go T, and if I just go Keiron's page, for example, and I wanna put that maybe right there. Again, I can lock that and I can't move it. All right, you guys, so very, very cool. And let's see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7, guys. So just to recap, we've got the single key shortcuts, the line styles, the find company logos, drag an image, move images with precision. You can use arrow keys or the shift arrow, and select hidden comments. Can move it using the arrow keys and the lock elements, guys. So these, if you use these in conjunction with each other, you're gonna save a ton of time. So guys, I hope you got some value from this. This has already saved me a lot of time, and it's just by adding up all that incremental time, you're gonna save even more time. So if you got some value from this, I want you to please like, subscribe, comment, and of course, smash that bell button so you're always notified. So this channel is all about reviews, hacks, and tips, how you can make money online, product reviews, and little shortcuts and hacks to be able to do things related to entrepreneurship online and other ways to help make you money. And Canva is a way that many of us use. So this is something that I thought could give you value, and I know it's given me value. So guys, I hope you like that. And again, you can check out me on social media. You can check out my website if you want to learn more about me, KeironGHogg.com. And with that being said, I'll talk to you soon. Take care.